You're not watching this video for entertainment, you're watching it because somewhere deep down, you feel it too. Something is changing, fast, and no one is really explaining what it means for you. So let me ask you something simple. If your job disappeared tomorrow, what would you do? No warning, no backup, just gone. Because that's not a future problem anymore. That's happening right now. And by 2030, it's not just a few jobs, it's most of them. The real question is not, will AI replace jobs? The real question is, will it replace you? Right now, AI can write content, edit videos, generate images, answer questions, code software, analyze data, and even make decisions faster than most humans. Think about that for a second. Things that once took hours now take seconds. And this is just the beginning. Most people think AI is a tool, but they don't realize something dangerous. Every time a tool becomes smarter, it replaces the person who doesn't know how to use it. Let me give you a real example. A few years ago, businesses needed entire teams for content writing. Today, one person using AI can do the work of 10. Video editing? Same thing. Marketing? Same thing. Even coding. AI is writing programs faster than beginners can learn them. Now imagine this scaling globally. Millions of people doing repetitive, predictable work suddenly becoming replaceable. Not because they are useless, but because they stayed the same while technology evolved. And here's the harsh truth. AI is not replacing jobs. It's replacing average thinking. The people who follow instructions, who do the same tasks every day, who don't upgrade themselves, they are the first to go. Because AI thrives on repetition. If your work can be predicted, it can be automated. And if it can be automated, it will be replaced. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not everyone will lose. In fact, some people will win bigger than ever before. But they are not doing what everyone else is doing. While most people are scared, they are adapting. While others are complaining, they are learning. While others are waiting, they are building. Let's break this down with a simple reality. There are two types of people right now. The first type sees AI as a threat. They avoid it, ignore it, or fear it. The second type sees AI as leverage. They learn it, use it, multiply their output with it. Now tell me, in the next 5 years, who do you think will grow faster? This is not just about jobs. This is about identity. Because the biggest shift happening right now is not technological, it's mental. The world is moving from doing work to thinking differently. Creativity, problem solving, decision-making. These are the skills AI cannot fully replace. But here's the problem. Most people are not training these skills. They are stuck in comfort, doing the same things, thinking the same way, living on autopilot. And AI doesn't struggle with autopilot work. Let me give you another real-life situation. Imagine two students. Both have access to AI. One uses it to copy answers, finish assignments faster, and do less thinking. The other uses it to learn faster, explore deeper, and build skills. After 3 years, they will not be in the same position. One becomes dependent, the other becomes powerful. Same tool, different mindset, completely different future. Now let's talk about something most people don't want to hear. You are not competing with AI. You are competing with people who are using AI better than you. That's the real game. And right now, that gap is growing every single day. Because while you're scrolling, someone is learning. While you're delaying, someone is building. While you're waiting for the right time, someone is already ahead. And by the time most people realize what's happening, it's too late. But here's the good news. You're still early. The next 3 to 5 years will decide everything. This is the window. This is where people either upgrade or become irrelevant. So what should you actually do? First, stop thinking like a consumer. Start thinking like a creator. Don't just watch content. Build something. Don't just use AI for entertainment. Use it to learn, to create, to solve problems. Second, develop skills that AI can't easily replace. Communication, critical thinking, strategy, creativity. These are not just skills, they are advantages. Third, become adaptable. The people who survive change are not the strongest, they are the ones who adapt the fastest. And finally, take action. Because information without action is useless. You can watch 100 videos like this, feel motivated, and still stay the same. Or you can decide, right now, that you're not going to be average anymore. Because that's what AI is really doing. It's exposing average and rewarding those who evolve. So ask yourself honestly, if everything stays the same in your life for the next 5 years, where will you be? And more importantly, will you still be relevant? Because the future is not waiting. AI is not slowing down. And the people who understand this early will build a life others can't even imagine. So this is your moment. Not to panic, but to decide, will you be replaced or will you rise? If you're serious about leveling up, comment AI below. Not for me, for yourself, as a reminder that you're choosing growth over comfort. Because in this new world, you don't get what you wish for, you get what you build.